In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to keep your tasks on track without any confusion. First, head to Trello in your browser. Once you're in, you'll land on your Trello home where you can see your workspaces and boards. Choose the workspace that contains the project you're working on, then open the board where your task lives. Boards are made up of lists, and inside those lists are cards. Think of each card as a single task or deliverable. Open the specific card you want to schedule by clicking on it. This brings up the card details view. Here you can see the description, comments, attachments, and options you can add to the card. We're focusing on due dates, so look for the dates option. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the right-hand sidebar or among the card's quick actions. Click dates to open the date picker. You'll see a calendar where you can choose the exact day the task is due, and you'll also have an option to set a specific time if that's important for your workflow. If you're coordinating with a team across locations, remember that Trello uses your account's time zone, so pick a time that makes sense for everyone. Select the due date on the calendar and, if needed, adjust the time. You can use keyboard arrows to move through months or click the date field to type a precise time. Choosing realistic due dates helps you stay organized and makes progress clear to everyone on the board. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. Trello will add the due date to the card and display it on the front of the card so it's visible at a glance on the board. As the deadline approaches, Trello will highlight it, and if a task passes its due date, the tag will indicate that it's overdue, making it easy to spot what needs attention. You can close the card now, and you'll see the due date chip right on the card in the list. If plans change, just reopen the card, click Dates again, and adjust the date or time the same way you set it the first time. Changes are instant, and everyone with access to the board will see the update. That's it. You've set a due date in Trello clearly and confidently, so your tasks are easier to track and your team stays aligned.